How to use Park Assist in your new BMW. First, we're going to need a parking. And once the parking is found, you will go ahead and press the Park Assist button. Now, simply just drive past the parking that you want to park inside and you select the parking on the screen. From there, the car will show you all available parkings that it's found and you select whichever one you want to use. And then you just sit back and you relax. Once the car has finished, it puts itself back into park and you can just continue with your day. Now, for parallel parking, it will be very similar. Again, press the Park Assist button and drive past the parking that you want to use and also select the parking which you want to use. Sit back and relax and the car takes care of the rest. Now, here's something nice BMW added. Once you are finished, the car will also give you the option to leave the parking space. Just press leave parking space and let the car do the rest. Take control at the very last moment and continue on your drive. And now you know.